Guys, this is crazy.
Yeah, look at our floor.
Yo! Hey guys, it's your girl Liv, aka Blur. What in the name of bad hair day is going on here? Why is Daddy trying to sneak in the back? You ruined my intro, husband. They don't have it? Okay, well I called this place in Scarborough. We're going there right now.
What? At this time?
They close at 5.
And so does traffic.
Alright guys, so we just left Aqua Ice. We had to come to a specialty place to get the dry ice for our little experiment. Look at that. Is that safe to put in the car?
Just gotta bring it right home.
Oh my gosh. I thought you guys were sleeping. Anyways guys, we are on our way home because we got our dry ice. We don't want it to melt in the back. So we're gonna go home and do our little experiment. And I thought these turd burglars back here were sleeping, but obviously they got up because they thought that we were going to a toy store or something. We're on our way home, so see you guys in a little bit. Anyways guys, we just got home. We got our dry ice and we are about to do the dry ice waterfall challenge, or actually we might be doing the dry ice waterfall challenge or boiling dry ice. One or two or both, we don't know yet, so make sure you guys watch until the end of the video.
And stay tuned to watch the drive-thru video. Stay tuned to watch the drive-thru video.
Yes, the drive-thru video will be the next video. And without any further ado,
Let's get into
the video!
It's here, Papa's here.
Papa brought KFC?
Yeah?
What?
But we're still doing this drive-thru.
Wait, so do you guys want to eat KFC or do the video?
Do the video.
Oh, Ever! KFC! So do you want to eat KFC or do you want to do the video? So we're gonna do the video. The girls say that they want one fry, obviously. So they're gonna go eat their fries and Ricardo and I are gonna set up the little shebangy thingy that we have. Anyways, I'll show you guys this one. Do you have gloves? Because I need them hands. I need them hands. Working. Okay guys, so let me show you the little setup that we have going on up here. So this is our little setup. We have 2 buckets and we're gonna put hot water in here, and this is our 13 pounds of dry ice. Make sure you guys step back. Oh my gosh, I hate the sound of styrofoam. Oh my gosh. Back up, back up, back up. This is some very dangerous stuff. This is not to be performed without an adult or the supervision of somebody over the age of 18 years old.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Kids, don't try this at home. So these are our little buckets.
Are you pouring this down here?
No, we're leaving it like that. So we have the blankets set up underneath so that the bucket's on a tilt. Our goal for this video
is to make it explode.
No explosion, Leah. We don't want no explosion in our new house. Our goal for this video is to get a waterfall effect where the dry ice is dropping down by the plant and we can all stand down there and take a family photo. Goals.
Failure.
What? We're gonna pull this off. What do you mean failure? Okay, so husband is gonna put the hot water in the buckets first, right? Okay.
Oh, it's so comfy.
Okay, so we're filling up the bucket with some hot water.
Yeah, leave it like this.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave it like this, basically. Oh my gosh. Is the dry ice gonna make it explode though? Like, make the water foam up?
No, it shouldn't.
What do you mean shouldn't?
The water foam up. It's
I don't know.
Mama, can I please have some chicken? I'm so excited to do the show!
Oh my gosh. Are you excited to do the 13-pound dry ice challenge in your house?
Yes! But I'm scared that it's gonna drop on there, so I'm happy.
Okay guys, so we have the water set up. Husband's putting the gloves on. This is go time.
Do not touch.
Don't touch, guys. Stay away. It's dangerous.
Wow. I want to
This is
eat
dry
one.
ice.
Me too.
The temperature is negative 78 degrees.
I want to eat one. I don't think this
That can give you frostbite instantly. Gosh, she's dropping it. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
No, I'm not doing it. I'm not
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Ah! That's crazy. Yo. Oh my gosh, guys, the floor. Guys.
We're at the floor.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Yo.
Wait, I need to FaceTime Nana immediately.
Oh my gosh, you have to FaceTime Nana immediately? Guys, this is crazy. Guys, I think this is a success.
Is it, honey?
Oh my gosh, guys, this is insane. Oh my gosh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Guys, this is crazy.
Tia, look at her floor.
Yo!
Tia, look at this.
It's going in my room. Guys, look at this.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's coming in my room. Yo. Oh my gosh.
I touch it.
It's like a waterfall.
It's like.
That's crazy.
I touch it.
You want to touch it? It's-
I might eat it.
You can't eat it.
Well, man, I'm trying to add some more water.
More water?
Yay! Yeah, let's see what it does.
What if it goes crazy? Oh my god, no. Oh my gosh. Wow. Do you guys want us to add more ice?
Yeah!
Let's add more ice. More ice, more ice, more ice, more ice.
Oh, honey, I want you to catch this. Look what it does to my construction gloves.
Oh my
Look
god.
at that. Instant frost.
Look at that! Mommy, come get this!
That's
Come get this!
crazy.
Come and get this! No, like the bubbles.
Guys, oh my gosh, that's insane.
Just a little bit left.
That's
It's a little bit
insane, guys.
left.
This is
Can I do it,
crazy.
Do not touch that water, please.
Look like it's hot water.
Oh my gosh, guys. step
Careful,
back.
watch out, watch out,
Oh my
watch
gosh,
out.
it's exploding. Guys, what did you think?
It was great. I want to do another video. Comment down below if you want to do a part 2 of this.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, we're going to do another one in the same.
Oh my gosh, what's happening?
Yeah, it just restarts it again.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's bigger. It's like a cloud.
All right, guys, so we have relocated to the kitchen where we are about to do a kitchen experiment with the rest of the dry ice. So Daddy is filling up this pot with some hot water, and then we're gonna put some dry ice and see.
It was fun doing the other one.
It was really fun doing the other one just now. Did you have fun, Leah?
We got.
Did you have fun ever?
Yeah.
So husband is about to drop the rest of the dry ice into
Guys,
the pot
bounce
in the kitchen. Bounce back, guys. Bounce back. Bounce back. Thank you. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Your phone.
Where's my phone? My phone. Oh my
Put your hand
gosh.
in there.
That's
Did you
sick.
touch it, the water?
Mama, your phone.
No, his phone's okay.
Oh my gosh, my phone. It's getting my phone. Oh, my phone. Oh, I gotta put it away where it's safe.
Oh.
That's crazy. Yeah.
Wait, move.
3, 2, 1. This is a success.
Yeah.
Money. Hey, my video. Guys, can we get a huge thumbs up for a huge success on our 13-pound dry ice challenge? Wait, did I miss the bop bop bop? School is officially over, and we are going to be doing experiments, pranks, challenges all summer.
Stay tuned to watch Ever going to kindergarten.
And Ever's gonna be going to kindergarten. So we have a lot of exciting stuff coming up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is crazy. Anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment down below, turn on your post notifications so that you guys know when we're posting new videos.
Wait, you guys have 5 seconds to that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you done it?
Have you done it?